Concentration boost. Natural support for focus and mental energy. In today's fast-paced world full of distractions, maintaining concentration and mental clarity can be a challenge. Concentration boost, in collaboration with Avora Nature, is a carefully developed natural supplement designed to support focus, learning performance, and sustained mental energy without the use of artificial stimulants. This video provides a comprehensive deep dive into how Concentration Boost works, its unique formulation, the science behind its ingredients, and how you can integrate it into your lifestyle for long-term cognitive benefits. Whether you are a student preparing for exams, a professional managing high workloads, or simply someone looking to optimize mental clarity, this guide will give you the knowledge and tools to achieve better focus naturally. You will learn how mental fatigue works and why supporting your brain nutritionally can make a difference. Number 2, product overview. What is concentration boost? We break down the formula, showing you exactly what makes concentration boost unique, with carefully selected natural extracts, active B vitamins, and nutrients that support mental energy. This supplement is designed for clarity and performance without dependence. Number 3, key ingredients and their benefits. Blue Skullcap extract, rich in antioxidants, supporting relaxation and balanced focus. L-Theanine promotes calm, alertness, and sustained concentration. Active B vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, essential for energy, metabolism, and cognitive performance. Quatrefolic, a biological active form of folate supporting mood and mental balance. And last one, Zinc, contributes to normal cognitive function and memory. Number 4, the science explained. We discuss how ingredients works in the brain backed by research, learn how theanine affects brainwaves, how B vitamin reduces fatigue, and why antioxidants protect your nervous system for oxidative stress. Number 5, how to use concentration boost for best results. Practical application is key. We will explain. For adults, 2 capsules at least 10 to 15 minutes before breakfast, avoiding direct intake with dairy or sugar for optimal absorption. Children from the ages from 4 to 12 start with one capsule daily, increase 2 if needed, not suitable under 4 years old. The importance of consistency and timing for long-term results. Number 6, additional lifestyle tips. Beyond supplementation, lifestyle plays a crucial role in mental energy. We will share practical habits, including nutrition for stable energy levels, hydration and sleep routines, stress management techniques, mindfulness and digital detox strategies, the story behind Avora Nature, and number 7. At avoranature.com, we believe true well-being begins with the power of nature. Our collaboration with .nl brings together the best of 2 worlds: natural supplements to support focus and performance, and sustainable care products that strengthen both inner and outer health. Concentration Boost reflects this mission, combining science and nature to improve daily life naturally. Number 8, exclusive discount for viewers. Experience benefits of Concentration Boost yourself. Order now via avoranature.com and receive 10% of your first order with the code VORANATURE. And as always, stay Avora.